Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we'll quickly look at when to replace safety gear in industrial operations. Stay safe, let's get started. Safety gear is essential in industrial operations, but it does not last forever. Knowing when to replace it is key to maintaining a safe work environment and preventing accidents. Personal protective equipment, PPE, such as helmets, gloves, goggles, boots, and respirators, should be inspected regularly for signs of wear and damage. One of the most important indicators for replacement is visible damage. Cracks in helmets, torn gloves, scratched goggles, or worn-out boot soles can reduce effectiveness and put workers at risk. Even if the damage seems minor, it can compromise protection. Additionally, exposure to harsh conditions like heat, chemicals, or heavy impact can weaken safety gear over time, even if no damage is immediately visible. Another factor to consider is the manufacturer's recommended lifespan. Most safety gear comes with guidelines on how long it should be used. Ignoring these timelines can lead to using equipment that no longer meets safety standards. For example, helmets and harnesses often need replacement after a specific number of years, regardless of appearance. Hygiene and comfort also matter. Gear that becomes difficult to clean, causes discomfort, or no longer fits properly should be replaced to ensure workers remain willing and able to use it consistently. In summary, safety gear should be replaced when it shows damage, reaches its lifespan, or no longer provides proper comfort and protection. Regular checks and timely replacement help ensure safety, reduce risks, and promote a strong safety culture in any industrial workplace. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.